Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very bottom actually to find either the Google section or users and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one. So let me tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got our previously added Google account. So let me start this tutorial with removing the Google account. So let's tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on remove account and tap on remove account. And as you can see it will immediately disappear. Of course, we can add it. Just tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. As you can see, I've got it saved. So let's tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on Next. This is the information about the backup, so it's up to you whether you want to turn on the backup right now. I don't want to do that. And right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it to check more options. Let's tap on I agree. Here we've got again the shortcut of backup and storage info. Of course, you do not have to turn it on. It's up to you. Just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Again, just like I've shown you at the very beginning of this video, we can remove it. So three dots icon, remove account and remove account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.